Hey guys, Happy New Year, Happy 2019. So if you had as good a time as we had in December, you want to carry that on through 2019. So for us, it's all about learning, development. This year is about growing our own. Now, what we want to do with that is make sure that all of our team maximize what they're doing this year, maximize their business, and also that we can maximize the brand. So as part of that, what we want to do and what we've told ourselves and kind of put out there is that we are going to grow our own. So this is something that I always worked on from the minute I started the brand, but right now it's time to refocus on that. So from the bottom to the top, it's all about us growing and all about our assistants growing. Now, as part of that, what we're doing is major education this year, major learning, major development. So what we're interested is growing our own, and we want to do that from the bottom right through to the top. So what that means is that everybody within our business, all of our stylists, all of our assistants are going to have a great plan of education, development, and be able to achieve their dreams this year. So to help you achieve your dreams this year, what we're doing is for 2 weeks until 14th of January at midnight, the Academy is going to be 50% off, so we're having a little January sale just so that you guys can get on board with us, be a part of it, be part of the Fowler Hair Academy, and have an amazing 2019 as we know we're going to. So come on board, get started now, and let's educate together.